Hey guys, Todd with Vapor Honing Technologies. We are here today to talk about our operator's manual. We've got a new operator's manual coming out. Every time you purchase a machine, you're going to get a copy of this manual. Now the manual is more of a generic manual. It doesn't specifically target each individual machine. But that being said, our machines are very, very similar in how they are built, how they're constructed, and what they do. The Weekend Warrior that I'm standing in front of right here or beside of, you basically have the exact same setup on every machine. Your air hookup is going to be on the front or the back of the machine. You're going to have 3 drain valves. Your very bottom one is going to be to drain everything out of the machine. The middle one will drain the water out of the machine. And then your top one, that's your fill level. That's right where you're going to fill the water up to. So whether it's a Weekend Warrior or a VH4000, they all have that same setup on them. We can take a look at one of our other ones over here and I can show you exactly what I'm talking about. So here we've got our VH3630. A little bit of difference, instead of the ball valves being on the side like they are on the Weekend Warrior, they're actually on the back, but you still have that same configuration. You have your bottom ball valve, which drains everything out of the machine, your middle ball valve, which will drain all the water out and leave your media, and then your overflow, which is where you'll drain your excess water from, but that's also your fill line for your machine. Our VH4000 is set up the exactly same way, the bin's set behind the machine. The manual is meant to give you kind of an overview of how everything works. There are some specifics in there as far as the amount of water that you need for your machine, the amount of abrasive you need, but it's not going to be a specific manual for your machine. It's a generic manual. If you still have questions, give us a call. Phone number is 828-202-5563. Thanks for watching.